spend a lot of time here. Why? Because identity theft right now is at an all-time high. We're in a new year, and the thieves are looking for new individuals or individuals they may have used their personal information before. But guess what? ID Shield to the rescue. Because what's going to happen, not only are we going to monitor what's important to you, ladies and gentlemen, like your credit score, Social Security, driver's license, court records. Do you not know that there are individuals who were not aware that there was information inside their court records, and they couldn't understand how come they didn't get that job, how come they couldn't buy that home, because why? Somebody compromised their information. But when you get our ID Shield program, ladies and gentlemen, not only do you get monitored on these particular issues, but also the dark web, credit cards, checking account, and even your retirement plans, and so much more. Get with the person who invited you, and they will give you more details. And as you can see through this smartphone illustration, that you even have an opportunity to keep track of your credit score. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, I've been working diligently on cruising my credit score. All right? So now, not only